This isn't a rocket. It's a balloon taking you to space. Welcome to the future of transportation, where reaching near space is no longer extreme, but effortless. The Space Perspective Neptune system uses a high-altitude balloon to gently lift the spaceship Neptune capsule 30 kilometers above Earth. No loud engines, no intense G-forces, just a smooth, peaceful ascent. Inside, passengers enjoy panoramic windows, luxurious seating, and a fully controlled environment while witnessing Earth's curvature and the edge of space. The journey lasts several hours, offering a calm rise and descent. It may not reach orbit, but it redefines space travel, making it accessible, elegant, and truly unforgettable.
What if cargo moved faster than airplanes on the ground? Welcome to the future of transportation, where speed meets precision. The Hyperloop Transportation Technologies Express Freight System is transforming cargo delivery with ultra-fast ground transport. Using sealed, low-pressure tubes, capsules glide with minimal resistance, reaching speeds faster than traditional aircraft. Built specifically for freight, it focuses on efficiency, rapid handling, and seamless logistics. Advanced loading systems transfer goods in seconds, while compatibility with standard shipping containers ensures easy integration worldwide. This isn't just innovation, it's a revolution in logistics. Faster, smarter, and more connected, Hyperloop Freight is setting a new global standard for moving goods. Imagine delivering anything on Earth in under 1 hour. Welcome to the future of transportation, where space becomes the fastest delivery route. The concept of Inversion arc introduces autonomous spacecraft positioned in low Earth orbit, ready to deploy cargo anywhere on the planet within minutes. Instead of roads or skies, it uses orbital pathways to cut global delivery times dramatically. Once activated, the vehicle re-enters Earth's atmosphere at high speed, guided by advanced navigation systems for precise, pilot-free landings. Built for automation and reusability, this system could revolutionize emergency logistics, delivering critical supplies faster than ever before, redefining global connectivity.
What if traffic disappeared and you traveled above the city? Welcome to the future of transportation, where the sky becomes your pathway. The Doppelmayr Garaventa group is revolutionizing mobility with advanced cable-based systems connecting cities, mountains, and remote regions. Using suspended ropeways, cabins and gondolas glide smoothly over rivers, valleys, and traffic-filled streets, eliminating the limits of traditional roads. Powered by Austrian and Swiss engineering, these systems feature automation, digital controls, and top-tier safety monitoring. Efficient, sustainable, and adaptable, they provide seamless travel in places where infrastructure is challenging. This isn't just transport, it's a smarter, cleaner way to move through the world.
What if flying became cleaner, quieter, and more accessible? Welcome to the future of transportation, where efficiency meets sustainability. The LTA Pathfinder is redefining aviation with a next-generation airship powered by helium lift and electric propulsion. No massive airports, no long runways, just smooth, energy-efficient travel anywhere. Built with advanced lightweight materials, it enables long-duration flights while using minimal power. Designed for both cargo and passengers, it can reach remote and underserved regions with ease. This isn't just a return to airships, it's a smarter evolution. Cleaner, quieter, and highly adaptable, Pathfinder is shaping a more accessible future for global transportation.
No driver, no steering wheel, just the future of mobility. Welcome to the future of transportation, where cars drive themselves. The Zoox Robo Taxi is a fully electric, purpose-built vehicle designed for true autonomy. No steering wheel, no pedals, just a spacious cabin where passengers sit face-to-face in comfort. Its unique bidirectional design allows smooth movement through crowded city streets without turning around. Powered by advanced sensors like LiDAR, cameras, and radar, it maintains full 360-degree awareness at all times. Currently undergoing real-world testing, Zoox is redefining urban mobility, making transportation safer, smarter, and completely driverless.
What if buses could glide above traffic? Welcome to the future of transportation, where roads are no longer limits. The Dahir Insaat gyroscopic transport concept introduces massive disc-shaped vehicles that travel above city traffic using advanced stabilization systems. Balanced by gyroscopes, these elevated vehicles move smoothly across adjustable structures without disrupting existing infrastructure. Powered in part by solar energy, they aim to reduce congestion while improving efficiency. Inside, passengers enjoy a spacious, transit-style cabin, only this time it's floating above the chaos below. Still theoretical, but bold and visionary, this concept could redefine how cities move in the future.